Are you preparing for the CSWA or CSWP exam but don't know where to practice real SolidWorks models, right? Then this video can save you a lot of time. Today, I'm going to show you an official free SolidWorks practice database that can contain more than 350 engineering practice problems specially designed for the CAD learners and certification preparation. Okay, and if you stay till the end, I'll share one important resources that can improve your modeling speed during preparation. Stay till the end, guys. Let's move towards the video and start discussion. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to Detect CAD Solution. I am Gaurav Patil, mechanical design engineer and CSWP certified, also SolidWorks champion and SolidWorks user group leader of Aurangabad. Okay. So this is official SolidWorks practice problem database provided by the SolidWorks education. See, you can, I'll share this link with you in the description so that you guys can check it out. Okay, you need to log in, and this is how the screen will look like. Okay, so here you can see there are hundred of ready to use CAD practice exercise. This is specially available for the students, educators, and design engineers who wants to learn SolidWorks and preparing for the CSWP or CSWA examination. Right? This model are extremely useful for CSWA, CSWP preparation, feature practice, sketch improvement, speed modeling, engineering thinking development. These all the uh, models will helpful for you for preparing these all things. Okay. The best thing about that the best thing is that these are not random models from the internet. These are structured engineering practice problems created by the actual learnings. See, you can see there are difficulty levels also. You can start from easy and then go to hard also. All exam types, mm, all duration range, levels, and if you want to search by name, level, exam, or features, you can search from here also. These all are PDF. You need to download if you want to prepare. Okay. So now the important question is how should you actually practice this model? My recommendation is very simple. Start with beginner model. Start from easy. Okay. Set a timer. Mm, okay. Then try to complete the model without tutorial help. S- Try to create this model without taking any tutorial help and just check if your volume is the same. Uh, if you set a time for the 5 minutes, let's try that you'll complete before 5 minutes complete. Okay, then next is try focus on sketch accuracy first, then improve your speed. Okay, this all will helpful for you. This to sketch, try to sketch with the help of this dimension and check whether you are completed within a time or not. Don't just copy dimension blindly. Try to understand why this feature is used, which sketch is fully defined, which modeling sequence is faster. This is basic things you need to check whenever you start preparing. Okay, you can see this is in level basic sketch and extrusion, then sketch tools and end conduct condition, global variables, sketch patterns, extrude cut and fillet chamfer. So download levels by level and prepare. One more important thing, I have created detailed LinkedIn article about useful SolidWorks shortcut keys. This that will really helpful for you in your preparation. Okay, this will helpful for you to speed up your modeling during the preparation for the exam. Okay, I'll share that article link in description. You guys can check out and you can use that shortcut keys to save your time. This will really helpful for the exam. In certification exams, actually, the speed matters a lot. If you know proper shortcut keys, you can save a significant time while modeling. So I'll add that link for you guys. Definitely check out. Start preparing those shortcut keys in your daily practice, because once you start using that cost shortcut keys in your daily practice, one you'll definitely reach that level, and then you all learn that keys shortcut keys in your keep in your mind. If you practice just one model daily constantly, your SolidWorks skill will improve massively within a few weeks. The most student fail certification exam not because the software is difficult, but actually they fail because they don't practice engage real engineering models. This practice exercise can really help you thinking like a designer. If you are new, then it improves your feature selection, increase confidence, building speed. Where this exercise will help you a lot. Even in my starting days, I also use these models for the preparation, because this is the first step. If you are new, you have to start work from the model sketches like this. Never start with the direct, yeah, difficult models. They never teach you the basic things. If you want, I can also start complete CSWA and CSWP preparation series on this channel, where we solve practice models step by step. If you comment below, start the series. If you want, I'll prepare next episode on the level 1 and level 2. We'll try to cover up 2 levels in one video. Okay. And if you think this video will help you a lot, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Detect CAD Solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.